Hello. To use memory cards on your Redmi Note 14, there are actually two ways to do this. And the first one is you can insert your memory card to your SIM tray, since your SIM tray does have SD memory card slot, but in case you are using two physical SIM cards, there is no way actually to insert your SD card in here, so you will need to basically use the adapter from the SD cards to the USB, as you can see. And basically you simply have to insert your SD card into this adapter, and also you'll have to be sure that your adapter does have Type-C connector, and in case if it doesn't have, it only has the Type-A connector, you will need to get yourself the adapter from USB Type-A to USB Type-C, and from now you will be able to connect your adapter to your phone. And before we actually do this, we will have to go into the settings, scroll all the way down, go into additional settings, again scroll all the way down and go into OTG, and from here we have to enable this OTG to perform the connection between the SD card and our phone. So basically, as we have enabled this and we are all done, we simply have to connect our adapter to the phone and wait for the notification to appear that the connection is ready right here, as you can see, and you simply can press on this notification and we have all the files in the SIM card available right there. And one important note: in case your SD card is not formatted in the correct file system, for example NTFS, you will be not able to use this SD card on your phone, and you will have to reformat it to FAT32, for example, or if your SD card is bigger than 32 gigabytes, I believe, you will have to format it to exFAT, the system file system, which is named exFAT. And basically, if you have your brand new card, you will, as you connect it, this notification will say that you will have to tap this to set up the SD card, and you will have to simply format it if your SD card is brand new. So basically, yeah, that's how to use the memory cards on the Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.